All right, hey, I'm Jake with Tripod Torch. We're here at the Overland Expo West. We're selling a great product. This is Tripod Torch. It is the smallest, warmest campfire out there. Everything packs down into this bag. The hose, everything's in there. The other unique feature to Tripod Torch is we utilize a patent pending vertical burner. And that burner sends the flame out instead of up. So you get the heat around the fire instead of just above it like other fire pits. And as you can see, we got some great wind going today. I have that one shield on there that's blocking that wind and allowing the heat to still billow around so you can use it even when it's super windy. It does come with 3 shields. Like I said, one is for wind. With 2 shields, you can direct the heat right where you're sitting. And with all 3 shields installed, you can cook on top. And it'll hold even a Dutch oven so you can cook your breakfast right there on top. But it's all stainless steel, so you can leave it outside all you want. It's not going to rust on you. We make them here in Arizona, and they come with a lifetime guarantee. So you can find us at a lot of the different outdoor shows or at tripodtorch.com.
All right, thank you.